Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: your level, class alignment, and inventory space. This avoids wasted effort. Once done, secure the currency or materials needed, about 5,000 gold or the listed trade parts, so you can immediately buy or craft. Make sure to unlock the vendor or crafting station where the cast dual katana appears, otherwise you'll loop back. These steps get you into position fast, and they matter because missing one blocks the entire acquisition chain. Now you move into the complex middle. Obtain the schematic and components. You hunt the mid-tier quest chain that rewards the casting schematic, then farm the specified dungeon for 3 blade cores, alternatively trade with the NPC if you have the gold. Once you have schematic plus 2 bindings, head to the crafting bench and initiate the combine recipe. Pay attention to durability and skill modifiers. They directly affect success chance, so raise your craft skill or add a quality reagent before finalizing. Complete the process by performing the final cast at the station, selecting any quality modifiers to improve outcome. Once equipped, immediately test stats, reach, and dual-wield animations to confirm it functions as a cast dual katana. If rolls are poor or visuals glitch, reforge, or recraft, verify schematic tier, replace spent components, and raise your crafting skill or use a success potion before retrying. One troubleshooting tip: if casting fails repeatedly, confirm you use the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.